Hey there, smart shoppers. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make better purchasing decisions. Today we have an epic showdown between two top-notch dash cams, the BOOGIIO dash cam front and the 70mm dash cam M300. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. So let's dive in and find out which one comes out on top. Let's kick things off with the most important aspect of any dash cam, the video quality. The BOOGIIO dash cam front boasts a stunning 1080p Full HD resolution, capturing every detail with its super large IPS display. On the other side, we have the 70mm dash cam M300 raising the bar with its impressive 1296p QHD resolution. With its wide-angle FOV, you'll be capturing license plates and road signs like a pro. It's a close call, but the 70mm dash cam M300 edges out the competition with its higher resolution. It's like watching a movie on the big screen. Now let's shed some light on the night vision capabilities of these dash cams. The BOOGIIO dash cam front comes equipped with Ultra HD night vision, thanks to its f1.8 large aperture and advanced WDR and HDR technology. Meanwhile, the 70mm dash cam M300 takes it up a notch with its 3D noise reduction and WDR technology. It's a tough call, but the 70mm dash cam M300 snatches the victory in the night vision category. It's like having a superhero sidekick with night vision goggles by your side. Now let's dive into the extra goodies these dash cams bring to the table. The BOOGIIO dash cam front is a powerhouse, featuring a G sensor for collision detection, loop recording to save space, and even motion detection to catch any sneaky movements around your vehicle. On the flip side, the 70mm dash cam M300 offers parking monitoring with its built-in G sensor and time-lapse recording for efficient surveillance. This one's a tie, folks. Both dash cams bring some serious firepower in the additional features department. It's like choosing between having a personal bodyguard or a silent guardian. You can't go wrong with either. Based on online reviews, the BOOGIIO dash cam front is praised for its high-quality video, easy installation, and value for money. Reviewers appreciate its clear images and videos, as well as the additional features like G-sensor and motion detection. However, some users mentioned limitations such as a small SD card size and difficulty with file compatibility. On the other hand, the 70mm dash cam M300 receives positive reviews for its superior video quality, sleek design, and user-friendly app. Reviewers recommend purchasing additional accessories like a micro SD card and a USB adapter. While there are some suggestions for improvement in night vision capabilities and angle coverage, overall, both dash cams offer great value for their price. And that's a wrap, folks. We've compared the BOOGIIO dash cam front and the 70mm dash cam M300 in 3 categories: video quality, night vision, and additional features. It's a tough decision, but ultimately it depends on your specific needs. Don't forget to check out the description box below for the links to both products. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Stay smart and happy shopping!